Hello again. I just wanted to go over sterling silver and why it tarnishes. Simply, it tarnishes because it reacts with the air. Plain and simple, if you've got a piece of sterling silver and you leave it out on the dresser, it is going to tarnish unless it's plated. And if it's plated and you get it wet over a long period of time, the plating will come off. So, the solution is to keep it in bags, little bags. So this is an amber pendant. This is one of the pendants we just sell on our website. It's in a plastic bag. Amber earrings. This is how we keep our chains, and we put a lot of anti-tarnish tab in it. Now, I have this sterling silver pendant here, and I have it with my stainless steel infinity ribbon chain. I just love that chain, and it's a very strong chain. So how I keep the pendant, because I always keep it on this chain, is I just put the pendant in a bag. Now, if you don't want to deal with tarnishing, I would recommend this chain. It looks very much like a rhodium plated chain, and it will never tarnish. It's just a great chain, and I can wear it with something or by itself, but that's just, it's a good stainless steel chain because it looks like silver. A lot of stainless steel looks a little more white. Anyway, most jewelry ladies know this. I just wanted to let other people who are new to the metal, it's a fun metal. It is so versatile. It goes with so many of our different clothes with the buttons and stuff we're wearing. So I just wanted to give out this little hint. Thanks.